Welcome to the PayTrace Basic Shopping Cart training tutorial. The Basic Shopping Cart will allow you to put a link onto your website where customers or clients can make payments to you. The first item under the Shopping Cart menu is Manage Shopping Cart Design. This page allows you to control the color design of what your shopping cart is going to look like. There are several color combinations provided already, and if you click them, it will automatically update in the example of your shopping cart below. The custom color text field and button allow you to enter in the HTML color code for a specific color that you want to use within your shopping cart. Company logos and background images can also be uploaded to the cart from this page as well. It's important to note that any changes made to this page will affect your shopping cart in real time, meaning that as soon as you change a color from here, it'll automatically change on your shopping cart. Next, we'll take a look at managing the shopping cart, which is our next option down. This page controls the functionality of how our shopping cart works and operates. Our first option is to choose what type of transaction our shopping cart is going to be processing. A sale or a purchase will be defaulted, however, authorizations and store and forwards can also be selected. If you are not sure what these additional transaction types are, please be sure to visit our support forum at paytrace.net and visit the glossary of credit card terms to find out an explanation of these transaction types. The next option is a terms link. The PayTrace shopping cart does require that your customers agree to your terms and conditions before completing the sale. The customer does have the ability to view your terms and conditions, and this is the URL where you host your terms and conditions or possibly a refund or return policy. You will want to be sure to include an http:// in the beginning of this line. Next is display terms in an iframe. And if this is enabled, the checkout page will have a little display window that actually displays the terms and conditions provided. If this is disabled, it will just provide a link to the terms and conditions instead of displaying them on the checkout page. The Return Customers option gives you the ability to choose whether or not you want your customers to be able to store their billing information on your account so that they can log into it again in the future. The authentication text feature is a fraud deterrent that requires the user to key in text from a display image in order to authenticate themselves. This can be turned on or off. The next option is the title to the custom payments cart. The basic cart provides a link that allows customers to make payments in an amount of their discretion. This is frequently used to accept donations unless the title is defaulted as donation. However, this verbiage can be altered in case donation is not the correct terminology. Once this has been changed from this page, it will also be updated and referenced in the shopping cart. Be sure to click the Save Settings button down at the bottom of the page to save any changes. Now we'll take a look at how we can actually link the cart to the website itself. To do this, we'll click on the Create a Link option. The link will be titled whatever the custom payment title is on your Manage Shopping Cart page. In this case, it's labeled Create a Donation Link. Once I visit this page, I see several images for donate buttons as well as submit or process payment buttons in case donate is not the right verbiage. All I need to do is select the radio button next to the image I want to use and scroll to the bottom and actually create the button. Once I click to create the button, I'll be taken to a page with a box full of HTML code. This code, when placed on a website, will actually produce the button. So I want to grab all the code within the display box and I want to copy it. Next, what I want to do is actually place it within my website. To show a quick example of this, I'm going to hop into an HTML editor. In this example, I'm using Dreamweaver by Adobe. And I'm going to jump over to my code section and I'm just going to paste in my code that I copied from within my PayTrace account. Once I have the code copied in, I am then going to jump over and look at a design view to see what it actually looks like. And I can see the image is now appearing on my website wherever I had placed that code. Once the code has been placed on the website, at that point the shopping cart is live and transactions can start processing. The shopping cart also has the ability to send an email with a secure link that your customers can click on to be able to make a payment. This page allows you to set a to and a from email address, as well as specify an amount, and you can type in a message as well to be displayed in the body of the email. A file can be attached to the email in case an invoice or something similar in nature needs to be attached along with the email. Be sure to click the Email Link button down at the bottom of the page to ensure your email gets sent. The Shopping Cart Stats option provides you with statistical analysis of your shopping cart's activity. The very last option under the shopping cart menu is the Shopping Carts User's Guide. This guide will walk you through all the functionality and setup of your shopping cart as shown in this video.